Difference between therapeutic index and therapeutic window. First of all, we talk about the therapeutic index. The therapeutic index is a ratio that compares two things, the effective dose and the toxic dose. Okay, in therapeutic index, we see the effective dose and the toxic dose. The dose of a drug that is effective and the dose of a drug that is toxic. Okay, for example, there is high therapeutic index. So the drug is considered safe. Why? Because the toxic dose is much higher than the effective dose. So what does it mean? It means that, for example, the effective dose is 5 mg. So the toxic dose will be some 50 mg or 100 mg. So there is a big comparison. There is a big difference. So the therapeutic index is high and drug is considered safe. On the other hand is low therapeutic index. So in the low therapeutic index, the drug needs careful dosing because the toxic dose is close to the effective dose. For example, the effective dose is 5 mg and the toxic dose is 7 mg or 8 mg. So careful dosing is required. Okay, what is the therapeutic window? Therapeutic window is the graphical representation of a range. It tells us a well-defined range of drug at which a drug desired effects occur. So it tells us the points at which the drug show its desired effects, below which there is a little effect and above which toxicity occur. So here we see the points. Some point the drug show the desired effect, at some point there is a little effect and the other point there is the toxicity. So it tells us the minimum effective dose and the minimum toxic dose, because at some point the drug show its effectiveness, so we can know the minimum effective dose, and other points we know the minimum toxic dose. So simply we can say that therapeutic window is the safe zone where the drug works well without being harmful. Now let's collectively talk about therapeutic index and therapeutic window. Therapeutic index is used to compare drugs in terms of overall safety. Simply, it tells us about that the drug is safe or risky. On the other hand, therapeutic window is used in clinical practice to guide dosing of a specific drug. So, therapeutic index is all about safety of the drug and the therapeutic window is all about safe dosing of a specific drug. Okay, the therapeutic window tell us the exact range of dose that are effective and safe for the patient. If the dose goes below or above this range, it may not work or it may cause the toxicity.